Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and you all are practicing questions. Let us read this question. An infinite network of resistance has been made as shown in the figure. Each resistance is R. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So between A and B, you will connect a battery and you will try to check कौन से पॉइंट कौन से रजिस्टर सीरीज में है एंड विच वन विल बी इन पैरेलल. So this is R, right? From here two branches are going out. So definitely अगर अगर आप करंट के टर्म में सोचो, यहाँ पे करंट क्या जाएगा I, and since two branches are containing equal resistances, it will take I by 2 and it will take I by 2. Now here again two equal branches, here current will be I by 4 and here current will be how much? I by 4. Similarly, here I by 4 and here it will be I by 4. Sort of. Again here two branches I by 8 sort of things, right? So हमें क्या दिख रहा है? अगर आप clearly देखो, then we can see that whatever is the potential of this point will be the potential of this point. So if I call it point A in terms of potential, I will be calling this also point A in terms of potential. Similarly, if I call this as a point B in terms of potential, this is also point B in terms of potential, this also point B, and this is also point B. ठीक है. सो सॉर्ट ऑफ कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है. अब आप देखो यहां से इस पॉइंट को आप मान लो कुछ भी, सपोज कर लो O मान लिया और ये पॉइंट तुम्हारा क्या है, A है, एंड दिस इज योर वर्ड B. अब देखो A से आप पॉइंट्स बना, सर्किट को रीड्रॉ करो. सो दिस इज लाइक दिस इज पॉइंट O. And now from point O, you will be drawing, two registers, and these two registers are like this. ठीक है. This is what? This is point A. This A and this A. So दोनों को मैंने साथ में क्लब कर दिया. Now from point A, how many branches are going out? From here to, so overall 4. अब यहाँ से आप 4 branches ले लो. हर ब्रांच का रेजिस्टेंस क्या है? 4 है, एंड दे ऑल आर एंडिंग एट पॉइंट बी, राइट? सो ये भी बी पे एंड करेगा, दिस वन ऑल्सो एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज पॉइंट बी. दिस हैज 4 रेजिस्टेंसेस, राइट? एंड फर्दर अहेड यू कैन ऑल्सो डू, जैसे इसके बाद अगर आप देखो बी से कितने ब्रांचेस निकल रहे हैं? 2, 2 4, 2 6, 2 8. सो यहाँ से 8 ब्रांचेस आप निकलते हुए दिखाओगे एंड ऑल विल बी इन पैरेलल, राइट? सो if you write 1 by R equivalent, this sort of thing will keep on going ahead like this, right? So 1 by R equivalent अगर आप लिखते हो तो आप क्या लिखोगे? 1 by R plus this R and R in parallel, that will become R by 2. So this is your R by 2, and sorry, all are in series, right? So I should not add it like this. Sorry. You can see here, carefully देखो, ये वाली चीज and this thing all are connected end to end, right? So these two are in parallel. एक step और मैं कर देती हूँ तुम्हारी सहूलियत के लिए. So this is this and this is this. This will become how much? This will become R by 2, and this will become how much? This is R by 4, and further this will be how much? R by 8, because from B 8 branches are there. Each branches has resistance value R, all are in parallel, so R by 8 and so on. So if you calculate R equivalent now, this is your, all are in series, right? So R plus R by 2 plus R by 4 plus R by 8 and so on up to infinity. So if you look at it carefully, this looks like geometric series, right? So R को common ले लो, 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 dot dot. And this is geometric series which has infinite number of terms. What will be the value of summation? First term divided by 1 minus R. Why 1 minus R? There are two formulas. Either you can write this or you can write this. If R is less than 1, you use this. If R is greater than 1, you use this. Okay? So here R is what? Ratio of adjacent terms. So अगर आप ratio लो, second term by first term, it will be, that is how we take ratio. Second term by first, third term by second, sort of thing, right? So 1 by 2 divided by 1 will be equal to half. So our value here is half. We need to proceed with S equal to A by R minus, sorry, 1 minus R का formula. So S equal to A by 1 minus R. A is what? First term. First term is geometric series का क्या है? 1. So you write here 1 minus 1 by 2. So this will become 2. So overall R equivalent will be how much? R into this geometric series, R into 2. So answer will be how much? 2R. We simply needed to look at it more closely. So we can see potential के term में आपको points को देखना है. So it is very much helpful when we try identifying points potential, because that helps us in identifying if things are in parallel or series. So it's very important that uh, you indicate every point in terms of potential. जैसे kinematics में क्या करते हैं हम लोग, हर point हर पोजीशन को एक पॉइंट से इंडिकेट करते हैं ना, जैसे बॉडी चल रहा है तो सर्टेन टाइम पे इट इज एट ए, एट दैट टाइम इट इज एट बी. सो पोजीशंस को वी give some variable name. Similarly, in electricity, we can do the same thing, but here we name potential. ठीक है. So every point on the circuit we try to name in terms of potential. So in terms of potential आपको name करना होगा कि कौन कौन से points क्या है. ठीक है. So if two points are having same potential, you will be giving them same variable. जैसे यहाँ मैंने किया, this is A, if this is B, then this is also B. And why, you have already seen it. So if this is C, then this will be also C, this is also C, this is also C, like that. Okay. So I hope you have understood, but if you have any doubt, you can always let me know in the comment section. Keep solving more number of questions and keep improving. Bye bye. Take care.